The Brother SE2000 Combo Machine is a versatile tool that excels in both embroidery and sewing, making it a valuable addition for hobbyists and professionals alike. With a generous 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field, users can create intricate designs with ease and precision. The machine comes equipped with a remarkable 193 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches, providing endless creative possibilities. Its wireless LAN capability and compatibility with the Brother Artspira app allow for seamless design transfers and on-screen editing, enhancing user convenience. A vibrant 3.7-inch LCD color display screen facilitates easy navigation and customization of designs, including letter editing and combination of patterns. The comprehensive accessory kit, including 80 embroidery threads and 50 sewing threads with matching bobbins, ensures users have all they need to start their projects immediately.